The Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train corridor features the most challenging 135 kilometers elevated part in Maharashtra. Includes the construction of 7 mountain tunnels through rugged terrains of the Sahyadri mountain ranges. In this part, the project will feature its longest river bridge across the Vaitarna river, while the heaviest bridge in the entire project will span the Ulhas river. In Bhiwandi, the bullet train corridor will pass beneath Mumbai Metro Line 5. This part will also feature 3 state-of-the-art stations at Thane, Virar and Boisar. Integrate rail crossings, advanced Shinso pile technology, construction of wildlife passage and facing many more challenges. The elevated section of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train in Maharashtra stands as a testament to the unwavering dedication and bold innovation